2022 Honda Civic Hatchback versus 2022 Subaru WRX. Before we start, please subscribe our channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified for the new video upload. For the exterior, the Civic Hatchback adopts a different grille than the sedan by incorporating hexagonal openings instead of the horizontal slats from the four-door. The more significant changes are at the back. This model looks visually more compact because the rear overhang and overall length are 4.9 inches shorter than the sedan. An arching roofline that makes it appear sleeker than the sedan. Honda crafts the actual hatchback from a lightweight composite. The taillights have a bar running the width of the tail, whereas the sedan has separate lamps on each side. The Subaru WRX is resculpted with clean, athletic lines and features flared fenders that reference its storied rally past. The aggressive combination of honeycomb front grille and slashing LED headlights point toward its precision-engineered future. With its dramatically flared fenders, menacing front grille, and athletic stance, which offers increased safety, improved dynamics, and reductions in noise, vibration, and harshness. For the interior, the Civic Hatchback will get a 7.0-inch instrument screen and a 7.0-inch touchscreen infotainment display. The Sport Touring enlarges the instrument monitor to 10.2 inches and the infotainment to 9.0 inches. The opening is 1.6 inches wider than the previous general. A side pull cargo cover allows for concealing what is inside. Cargo space drops slightly to 24.5 cubic feet. The Subaru WRX, a black interior with contrast red stitching and carbon fiber pattern accents throughout, communicate the performance capabilities of the vehicle. And grips the flat bottom, leather-wrapped steering wheel with integrated switches for audio, voice recognition, and eyesight control. Power windows with auto up-down on both driver and passenger sides, 60/40 split fold-down rear seat, power door locks and side mirrors are standard. A high-resolution touchscreen, on-screen controls for audio, HVAC and vehicle features, combination meter integration, smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth hands-free phone, and audio streaming connectivity. Front and center in the cabin, and highlighting the driver-focused interior, is an all-new tablet-style 11.6-inch Full HD center information display. For the power configurations, the Civic Hatchback with a 6-speed manual gearbox, with a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder, that makes 158 horsepower, and 187 Nm of torque. The 3-pedal layout will also be a choice on the 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, making 180 horsepower, and 240 Nm of torque. The 2022 WRX features the newest version of the 2.4-liter direct-injection turbocharged Subaru Boxer engine. The latest in a long line of iconic Boxer power plants, delivering 271 horsepower at 5,600 RPM, a broader torque curve with 258 pound-foot of torque from 2,000 to 5,200 RPM, the increased displacement, along with a turbocharger equipped with electronically controlled wastegate and air bypass valves, improves responsiveness and acceleration. For the safety features, the Civic Hatchback, equipped with Honda Sensing suite of safety and driver assistance features, comes standard with the 2022 Honda Civic Hatchback. Collision mitigation braking system, road departure mitigation system, and lane keeping assist system. Anti-lock brakes, stability control, front impact airbags, side impact airbags, overhead airbags, knee airbags, pretensioners, and security system. The 2022 WRX with EyeSight driver assist technology, enhanced with expanded angle of view and software performance improvements that deliver a wider range of operation. Electric brake booster, lane departure prevention function, advanced adaptive cruise control with lane centering, automatic emergency steering, pre-collision braking system. WRX protects with 7 standard airbags, including a driver knee airbag. What do you think of this car? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.